Hey guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Wild Crystal Box. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is May's Wild Crystal Box, and it just came, and I'm really excited. Last month was my first month bringing this one to my channel, and I was really glad and pleased with the box. So let's see what they do. I love their box, how it has the crystals around the outside, and it is the Tamed Wild box. Wild Crystal Box. This is from Tamed Wild. This particular subscription box is $23 a month. They have $5 for shipping. There is a Tamed Wild box, which is $29 a month with $6 shipping. They have a House of Rituals starter kit for $49. They have Crystal Surprise Me box for $30. They have a Tamed Wild Surprise Me box for $40. And then they have the Tame Wild box one-time purchase for $35. And gift cards and everything are available on their website as well. They do sell all different kinds of things on their site. So if you want, the link will be down below. You can go check them out. Again, they have the different subscription boxes plus all of the one-time boxes you can purchase as well. So let's go ahead and get into this month and see what we got. Okay. They do have a really big piece of paper instead of like a normal card, and I'm definitely not going to read all of that verbiage. And then here is the box with the cute little sticker on top. So let's open this up, and still can't really see much. So this is very pretty paper, and I love reading this afterwards, but I mean, look at all that. So let's go ahead and see what we have. This would be the crystal for the month, and it says in here, Wild Crystal Box, Desert Rose, Jasper, and Sodalite? I'm not quite sure how you say that. So this would be the, these are really pretty. There's some pretty blue in here. And they give you two, which I think is really cool because you get two different sizes and you get to see two different parts of the crystal. Let's see here. So here is the different sides of the one. And then here is the other one. This one has a little bit more blue and it's a little bit smaller. But again, you get two different ones. And last month we got two of them as well. And I thought that was really cool that they give you two, not just one. So there's that, and it comes in this little pouch with that pretty, like a stamp on the front. And then let's see, here's a little box. Ooh. Wouldn't it be me if I didn't drop something? So there is that. So I wonder, this must be the Jasper. Look at that, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Let's see here. And they don't give you like values of whatever they are, because I'm sure it's way over what you pay anyways. There we go. Oop, is it backwards? There we go. That is really pretty. Okay, so let me go ahead and get in. Oh, this is the Desert Rose, and this is a big one. This is a big one. Oop, I dropped a few pieces. Look at that. Now, when I went to California and I came back and I showed you guys what I had bought, the different crystals from California, I bought one of these, but it was way smaller. It was like the size of one of those other smaller ones. This is a big size. I don't have anything else here to compare it to, but that is so pretty. Look at that. And this is called the Desert Rose, and it's supposed to like resemble kind of like a rose. Look at how pretty. That is really big though. I mean, seriously, you guys, that is bigger than my ear. That is a big size. Like, I can't even close my fist with it in my hand. I don't know why I smell it. I smell everything. but that is a really good size. I'm very, very impressed with that. Wow. Okay. Now, here is another item. And what is this? Oh, this is beautiful. What is this? Complete with pyrite and clear quartz. But look at that. Look at the crystals in there. And then look at how that shines and shimmers with all the sparkle in those. There's like big pieces of that. And then there's like another one on top that almost looks like an amethyst, but it's not. It has like different coppery tones to it. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Then there's like more pieces back there. That is beautiful. If you guys know, let me know, do I need to cleanse these stones like you do the other stones, or charge them? Or do I just leave them in this and I'm good because they're in this jar? Let me know down below, because I want to know what I need to do. Again, I'm learning. I don't know really much about these. That's why I'm getting all these. And I have books and everything to sit down and learn and read about. So I'm really, really excited. That is gorgeous. That is just stunning, you guys. Absolutely stunning. See if I can try to get some of this glare off. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this. So this month we got this. I just love that. We got this beautiful necklace. We have this humongous desert rose. It's still kind of dripping a few things, but might have been because it bounced around in transit, but at least it's not actually broken. And we got those the two stones in here too. This is sodalite? Is that what these are? If you guys know, let me know, because again, I'm not quite sure. So those are those again. So these, this, and this big guy. This is everything that we received, and this is only $23 a month, you guys. So definitely, if you want to check them out, the link will be down below. You can go check them out and see what they got. Bubble wrap. I love this one. Again, I'm so glad that I got this. I'm so glad that I got this. Yeah. Let me see if it says, let's see. Desert rose is one of the most beloved variations of selenite. It's a soft stone with delicate edges that resemble flower petals. And it is very delicate, because anytime I just barely move it, you can see little particles falling off. This bud-like stone typically forms in arid environments, and it gets its unique design from a combination of gypsum mineral clusters, sand particles, strong desert winds, and fluctuating water levels. Desert rose is commonly found in yellow, brown, tan, and white specimens, all of which elements the healing essence of Mother Earth and contain the ancient wisdom of the moon. That is awesome. Jasper and pyrite are stones of courage and determination. They are both popular stones to carry on your body during social gatherings to generate self-confidence and foster quick thinking. Jasper, deep inner earthy tones, that's probably this one then, the jasper. Deep earthy tones generate heat in the root and scroll chakras and protect the body from fatigue. And then this stone right here, this one is the sodalite, I'm not sure how to say this. This is the deep blue stone that is often marked with white, black, or light blue spots. It's an intuitive yet practical stone that may be used to promote objectively and avoid bias during sensitive discussions, such as those involving religion, politics, and morality. With regular practice of an open mind, this stone will reveal to its owner how their current circumstances and levels of understanding relates to the big picture. So that is really cool. And I'm so glad that they give you more information because then you learn about them and you know what to do with them and what they're used for. So that is awesome. So again, that is everything that I got in this month's box. I am so glad I got this one. This is a huge desert. I can't believe how big. I cannot believe how big this guy is and how beautiful it is. And that's neat to know how it's formed now, how it's made. That is so pretty. Now I know what this is for. That's why it's on a necklace, because it's good to carry on the body. Comment down below, let me know, do you like this one? Do you think this one is a little better than the other one that I'm currently getting? That other one, I think I have like maybe 1 or 2 more months, and then I need to decide if I want to renew again or not. But I think I want to stick with this one, to be quite honest with you guys. But let me know down below what you guys think. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will not miss a future video that I have on my channel, and I'd greatly appreciate that. And until next time, you guys, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.